First of all, it is important to remember that you cannot rush this process. You will need time to focus on each aspect of the solution. You simply cannot put a product out that has not been properly developed or tested. You need to understand that this will take time, and there is nothing wrong with that. Once you have done this, you should look at whether or not you actually have a need for the product. As previously stated, you cannot rush this process. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about a done-for-you solution to get your online business marketing back on track. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. There needs to be a need for a new product line before you can truly say that you are on your way to finally a done-for-you solution to get a flood of new clients and team members online. You also need to consider the cost of developing and launching a new product line. After this, you need to develop a marketing plan. Many businesses make the mistake of marketing their products in places that are not likely to attract new customers. If you are creating a business website, this does not need to be a problem. However, if you are trying to market a physical product, you need to consider the best spots within your geographic area. Next, you need to figure out how to create the actual product itself. This might sound like it is too much work, but this is actually an easy task. Many businesses will choose to create an e-book. While this is fine, it does not have to be the only thing that you create. If you want to ensure that you hit the nail on the head when it comes to your new product, you should consider hiring a graphic designer. Now that you have your ebook and graphic design team, you can move on to the next part of your marketing plan. This involves actually promoting your business. You can either do this yourself or outsource it to a company. In most cases, it is a better idea to outsource it. This allows you to guarantee yourself that the company you hire will actually get the job done. The last part of this process involves testing. You will want to test all of the potential solutions to see which ones generate the most sales. If one isn't working, you will simply have to replace it. So there you have it. You can finally rest easy that you are going to be able to get a done solution to get a new marketing campaign up and running. Just remember to stay organized. Keep track of everything that you need to do, and never forget to test all of your potential marketing solutions. This is the first part of your marketing plan. Remember to focus on the process above. If anything else needs to be added to the mix, by all means, do it. However, do not rely solely upon this part of your marketing plan alone. Get everything else together first, and then put all of the information you have gathered into place with a well-designed and tested marketing plan. Next, you need to implement your marketing plan. Don't put this off another day. If you don't want to end up like those guys that are working full-time on their online marketing plans and still not seeing any results, then you need to get started today. The sooner you start, the sooner you will get results. For the record, I am not saying that you should ignore search engine optimization altogether, because it will help you get better rankings and more traffic, but you can save yourself some time and energy by doing things differently. It used to be that I would write out all of my desired goals, as well as what I thought would be the best way to go about achieving them. Then I would turn the page over to my marketing plan. Here's what I used to do. Write out my desired goals, the way I wanted my website to look, the content that I wanted to have on it, and so on. Then I would draw out my marketing plan on a sheet of paper. Once I had it all written down, I would sit down and analyze what I needed to do to get there. I knew that there needed to be traffic to my site, so I needed to increase my backlinks. Backlinks are just a link to another site, so I was going to buy backlinks from other sites that were related to my own. I bought all kinds of them, but I only concentrated on getting quality backlinks. I found some good ones by doing an internet search for backlinks. Once I had done that, I just concentrated on getting those backlinks, and from them, my search engine ranking improved. Once I got the search engine ranking up, I knew that it was time to monetize my site. After all, if I wasn't raking in the cash, then it wouldn't make much sense to continue. So once my site was monetized, I had finally achieved my marketing plan. I had finally found my solution to the problem that I was having with my business. That was a relief. Thanks for watching my video about a done-for-you solution to get your online business marketing back on track. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.